This is Miss Slattery,
And Mr. Fritsky.
and today we're going to learn to estimate the area of a rectangle.
So when we're estimating the area of a rectangle, one of the ways that we can do it is we can count the actual squares inside a rectangle. So Ms. Slattery is going to do that. So Ms. Slattery, the area of this rectangle would be
6.
6 square centimeters.
Good.
So that's one way to estimate the area of a rectangle, by just counting the inside of the squares, and we got 6 square centimeters. The other way to do it, like Ms. Slattery is doing right now, is to count the number of squares that are along the length of the rectangle and the number of squares that are along the width of the rectangle. So for the length, we got a total of 3.
Right.
And for the width, we got a total of 2. And if you add them up, you only get 5, and that's not the area we found before. So we don't add them together, we multiply them together.
Okay.
So we know that 3 times 2 is 6, which is the same number we got by counting the inside of the rectangle. So it works. We can either multiply the length times the width, or we can count the number of squares inside. So we're going to try another one that's just like that. So we're going to scroll down over there. And now we're going to do a really big problem. So the first way we learned how to find the area of a rectangle is to, what, Ms. Slattery?
To count the squares inside the rectangle. Awesome.
So now there are lots. Ms. Slattery is going to be busy counting.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's taking forever.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
This takes forever.
14. It totally does. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
All right, so we have 20 square centimeters. The other way to find out the area of the rectangle is to count the number of squares along the length of the rectangle. So we're going to do that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, so we're going to write down that number 4 for the length. And then we're going to count the number in the width. That's going up and down.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So that's 5. And to find out the area of a rectangle, we multiply these two together. And 5 times 4, you know, is?
20.
Awesome. That was a lot quicker. So the two ways we know to find the area of a rectangle is to count the squares, or the easier way, Ms. Slattery, is to?
Multiply the length times the width.
Awesome. So you're going to need this for your homework tonight. Good luck.